Hi, Freddy.
Hi, Sissy.
No! What are you doing? Hey, whoa! That is seriously no fair. Everyone is being weird today. I don't know why.
We got chocolate. That's an everyday, even with you, Janice. True.
No, add Fred to it. Gets even weirder.
You love me, Sissy?
No, I don't. I can say that if I want to.
Yeah. How about a broken phone?
How about no? What?
Oh. Oh.
My bad, bro.
Yeah.
You love me.
Kinda.
Well, that was rude.
Hey, you said it.
Yes. But I can.
So can I. Oh, this is good.
Hot, hot, hot.
What do you expect it to be? Cold?
No.
Yes.
The Fire Kings.
Ole.
No, will they? Hey! It's my fault. Rude.